After World War II, some businessmen from Darlington, Sam Beckham, Ed Dennis, and a couple other gentlemen went together and bought some of the barracks buildings from the arsenal, or whatever you call it, and it's located near the Florence airport. They brought 4 of the buildings over here that were 17 by 17, put them together, 3 together, and then 1 in the back for the kitchen. My dad bought it from them in December of 1951, opened up Joe's Grill the following month, January the 19th, 52. And one of his waitresses was my mother, well, soon to be mother. They courted and got married in 53, and I came along in 55. When I was born, Maggie was, there with my mom, and 4 days later when they carried me home from the hospital, guess where they carried me? In a cardboard box on the counter. My dad had me up here showing me off before I ever even went home. When I graduated with a degree in business at Francis Marion. And me and my mom ran the business, just the 2 of us and a couple of cooks. And then when my mom passed away, it was just me with a couple of cooks, Kathy and Virginia, Maggie, Modestine. They were all part of Joe's Grill forever, for a long time. Over the years, the menu has stayed fairly constant, but I think one of the biggest things that ever hit Darlington was a pizza. Nobody had even hardly heard of a pizza in this part of the country. And my dad had some friends from New York that came by here and talked to him about it, just telling him about, you ought to try this thing, it's called a pizza. And explained it to him, and he took it a step further, started serving the pizzas, and then he started doing a pizza burger, which is just a hamburger bun with pizza sauce, pepperoni, mushrooms, cheese, and do the top of the bun just like that and serve a hamburger patty on it. Out of this world. Olivia still does a great job with them, and the pizza is the best in town. The burgers are great. The fried chicken, out of sight. And like I had a little while ago, chicken and dumplings. My favorite food to eat in the world. When people come to Darlington, they want to see Darlington. And this was it. Jules, and this is part of Jules, is part of this now. But it is, old saying, there's no place like home. There's no place like home. There it is.